So customers who pay late, so I get asked this question quite a lot, and I thought I'd just do a video on it because it's probably a good little topic. So I'll just have my dinner on maybe first. This isn't an advert for Coke. So yeah, so what do I do with customers who pay late? Well, I'll start off by saying I'm fairly lucky because, well, 99% of my customers are spot on. They'll either pay same day or next day or a couple of days time, and the people who do pay a few days later, that's their kind of routine. I've had them for a while and I know the payment's coming. I don't have to kind of chase them up on it. I know they're going to pay, so that's fine. But there's one I can think of, and it's sort of a commercial thing. It's the landlord of the property, and I send the invoice over, and it doesn't always get paid straight away, and I do have to chase this one. The reason why I'm still doing the garden is because it's a decent little garden. It's right in the centre of me round, and they've never not paid. So obviously I've got a decision, or the kind of, if you're classing that as a late pay, that obviously poses the question to me: do you want to continue with the garden or not? And I've chosen to continue with it. The question obviously that I'll get asked, what do you do with customers who pay late, is, so basically there's a bit of a process. So if it goes beyond kind of, as I say, some pay on the day, some pay the day after, some pay in a few days time. If it goes beyond the norm for that customer, I'll just send them a little message. I'll just say, oh, hi, whatever, just chasing the payment for the garden. And I'll keep it as simple as that. And in most cases, the payment just goes in pretty much after the text. People just need a reminder, so that's fine, no problem. If they are persistently late and it's getting, so one thing that hasn't happened, but if it did, this is what I would do. So if it gets round to, so say we're doing fortnightly gardens, I'm just going to adjust this a bit. Is that better? Yeah, that's better. So if it's a fortnightly cut and it gets on to, say, the following cut, so 2 weeks time, and I've sent them texts, whatever, and they've either not replied or they're making excuses, I would not cut that garden again until I've been paid, and then I would send them a message or ring them and tell them in no uncertain terms, like, I can't keep doing your garden if you're messing about like this. I'll give them the old thing of, I'm a one-man band, all money is precious, blah, blah, blah. And, I need payment. I haven't got time to be chasing customers. That hasn't happened yet, but that's what I would do. And I guess that is probably people's question. So I'll throw it over. What do all you guys do? That'll be interesting to read the comments. So I hope that's answered your question. I'm lucky. I've got decent customers. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.